Simon and Schuster presents What's That Noise? Written and read by Charlie Higson. For all my grandnephews and grandnieces, Charlie Higson. For Team Gold, Nadia, Shireen. One day, Bob found a box big enough to be a house and hide in. He made a hole in the box to see out of, and he was ready. So he got his cap, his car, and his cat, and he sat under the box in the corner and shouted at the top of his voice, "I'm Bob, and I'm under a box with a car and a cat, and I'm wearing my cap." And the car went brum, and the cat went meow, and the cap didn't make any sound at all. And a plumber passing by scratched her head and she said, "What's that noise in there? What's that noise in there?" But Bob kept very quiet, and the plumber went away muttering, "I thought I heard a noise. I'm sure I heard a noise." And there was room in the box for more. So Bob got his bowl of crunchy cereal pops, and he went back under his box and shouted at the top of his voice, "I'm Bob, and I'm under a box eating crunchy cereal pops." And the car went brum, and the cat went meow.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?